What's going on, guys? It's the Clouded Barber back at it with another video. It's been a minute, but I'm just currently going through a bit of a transition in my life. You know, a lot of stuff going on, so that's why I haven't gotten around to actually filming a video lately. But thanks to the pissed off barber, Tpob, he sent me over the troll to give an honest review. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be unboxing, we're going to be getting up close, we're going to be doing a little bit of a sound test compared to another clipper. So without further ado, let's get to the video and let's show you what it's all about. We'll see you in a sec. Alright guys, so here we got the Pissed Off Barber Troll Clipper. He decided to send it to me for review. Thank you very much, my brother. So let's unbox it, but first and foremost, let's just check out the packaging and see what it says on the outside of it. You have the branding, the Tpob Troll with the full-size clipper, 240 minutes runtime, super torque motor, and DLC fade blade. You got there his nice little branding with the splat that says troll. Then you have all the important information on the back, such as high performance and high torque digital motor, 6800 RPM, 45mm graphite fade blade, 0 gap adjustable, the 5D tent, all metal taper arm, 8 comb guards, cuts easily through hair with just a single slide. The size of the clipper, which is 17.2 centimeters in length, lightweight at 320 grams. DLC fade blade offers sharpest cut yet, and it stays cooler and rust free for longer. Ergonomic design to have balanced weight and comfortable use while still offering low noise level and superior performance. Then he's got his nice little web page down here with his Instagram as well, the Pissed Off Barber. So that's basically what we got for the box. So let's get to the unboxing and I'll show you guys what's inside the box.
What's in the box?
I have been using it, so I will give you my insight and everything on the clipper itself. But first and foremost, let's get into it and see what's in the box. So we got the clipper itself, okay? We're gonna put that to the side. I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what's in here. So here, he supplies you with a nice little bottle of oil, very thoughtful. And then we have the clipper protector, slides on here, obviously, to protect it during travel or whatever the case might be. The charging cable, USB, and then you got this guy that plugs into the actual clipper itself to charge. Does not come with a block, but I'm sure we all have blocks somewhere in our houses. Just get a little brush, a little screwdriver to adjust your blade to 0 gap it, and then we obviously have our instruction manual, which we don't really read these, do we? But thanks for including it. And then we have our guards, and I like the slime colored guards, nice bright green. So you have basically all the way from 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and of course 1.5 guard. Now to the clipper itself. This is a beautiful clipper, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, and I'm not just saying that because he sent it to me and, you know, asked me to do a review on it or whatnot. I'm definitely not one of those types because, you know, if somebody were to ask me, hey, can you review this clipper and say it's amazing even though it's not, I would say forget it and see you later. Adios, amigos. This clipper is really superior. It kind of blew my mind. I really like the feel of it. It's got kind of like a rubberized texture. Very similar to the LoPros. Very similar to the LoPros, but I find it lighter. And in a minute, we're just gonna do the sound test as well between the LoPro and this one. And we're gonna look it up on the reader and see what the sound difference is in levels. I have 0 gap the blade, 0 gaps very easily. The detent lever, very, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually a better version of the LoPro. It cuts very smooth. Blade does not get hot. I like the fact that it kind of bulbs out here a little bit. The LoPro doesn't have that where the Tpob logo is. I don't know, it's very comfortable. It's got the finger grips in the back here, which is nice. Doesn't really go to the sides, but on the back it does, so it's perfect for my hand anyways, because I got little dinky girly hands. So the smaller the clipper, the better for me, guys, okay? Bigger's not always better, okay? Anyways, it's got the blue light when you turn it on, starts blinking when it's dying, but like, it's so quiet. It's so quiet. And compared to the LoPro, when I pulled the LoPro out of the box for the first time and I turned it on, it was a little bit loud, but not as loud as some other clippers that I've actually heard. But compared to this one, the LoPro is like a freight train as far as sound. This one's just so low. Like, it's just not loud, nothing. Like, it's beautiful and it's just well built, well constructed. I have nothing really bad to say about this clipper, to be honest. I think the Pissed Off Barber did an amazing job. I can't wait to try his trimmers as well. Trimmers are apparently supposed to be amazing because I always see, you know, Jay and Sean and all these guys reviewing the trimmers, and I love to get my hands on a pair of those and try them out. Let's get to the sound test between the LoPro and this one. I'm gonna pull out my phone and we're gonna see the levels and see which one's quieter, which one's louder. Hell, they might even be the same. Maybe my ears are just playing tricks on me because I'm old as hell. So let's get to it. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna get my phone and come right back. Okay guys, so we're back with the LoPro Babyliss and the Tpob Troll and the sound meter. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them head to head, see which one's louder, see which one's quieter. To me, this one sounds quieter just by listening. I haven't tested yet, so I'm doing this in real time with you guys. We're reading pretty quiet in this room. So I'm pulling out the LoPros, both closed lever, both fully charged. 65, 66, 65 for the most part. Pissed Off Barber Troll, and see the difference. So as you can see guys, the Tpob clipper is a lot quieter. Even if it's just by a couple decibels, it's still significantly lower. And then we'll put the two side by side. You can check it out yourself. I'll put it towards my microphone. That is the LoPro. And this is the Troll. So you can tell that there is a bit of a difference, even though it's just by a couple of decibels, but definitely this one is quieter than the Babyliss. I haven't had this one bog up on me at all going through thick hair. This one I have once or twice. For the most part, they're roughly about the same. Just this one's a little bit lighter than this one. This one's a little bit quieter than this one. So if I would go for one of these, I would definitely go for the Tpob Troll. So guys, that's my review and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or concern, please leave it in the description, not in the description, in the comments below, and I'll definitely leave a link to Tpob website with my coupon code and also a link to the Babyliss Lo Pro as well. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see you on the next one, and please do not forget to subscribe. I know I haven't released a lot lately, but I promise you once I move into my new shop in March, and I know that's still quite a few months away, I will be releasing a lot more material, as I will have a lot more time as I can control my own schedule at that point. Again, thank you guys, and I hope to see you on the next video. The Clouded Barber signing out, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao guys.